So now here in this case, not now. Yeah. Okay. So now here, if you see, we have email address in the top right hand side corner, and then in the third option is there, right? In the middle, there is a third option. You have the SMTP and POP3, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. This one.
Yeah. So click on the SMTP and POP3. Yeah. If you see, the host name is smtp.mailos.net. A port number is there. Username and password is there, right? So you just
Yes,
have
sir.
to copy these details and put it in the PingFederate console. Okay. Can you go to the console? So inside the console, in the top right hand side corner, system, click on the system there. Yeah. Okay. If you see the system, and then we have the notification publisher in the bottom, right? That is what which is used for.
Yes, sir. This one. Connect to services, sir.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Create a new instance. Yeah. So instance name, you can put SMTP like that. Yeah. Okay. SMTP. Type as SMTP notification publisher. Click on next. Yep. So you need to give all the details one by one. Yeah. From address, sender name, email server, and all, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
From
From email
address.
address should be there in the top right, right? Email. Let's say email is there. Just copy that and paste it. Okay. Copy that and put it in the top right. Email is there, right? Email.
Okay, this one.
Copy that and put it there inside the PingFederate. Paste it. Sender name, you can put it as your maybe like any name, ping admin or something like that. Email server, go back and copy that and paste it. The host name. Yeah, port number should be 587. Yeah, 587 is the port number. Yeah, encryption method we don't need that. Scroll down.
Sir, this 587, we are using this one, sir.
Yeah, any port number you can use. 587 is the common. A lot
Okay.
of organization use the SMTP as a
587.
basis only. If you scroll down, yeah, we have the username and password, right? Just copy that username and password, which is there in the next page, right? Yeah. So these details in the real time, you will get it from anyways from your organization configuration. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. You're inside your organization, you will get that details. Okay. Okay. Password and test email address. You can put your Gmail account for testing purpose. Okay. Click on next. Yeah. Okay. Test it. There is a test connectivity is there, right? Just test it. Let's see whether it's working or not. Only one time. If you click on one time, that's all. Don't choose it again. Yeah, see, email test is successful. Okay, can you go back to the mail or you'll see the mail that has been sent to your Gmail account. Okay, inbox is there, right? Click on the inbox there. Not that one, not that one, not that one. Next to your left hand side to your SMTP, right?
Yeah.
SMTP and POP3 ending. Yeah. If you see that, click on the mail. It has been sent a test email, right? To verifying this is working,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the difference. Getting my point? Clear?
Yes,
Yeah, so this is how we can able to do the differences. Understood?
yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, SMTP has been configured. Now can go back and next and save it. Now by using this SMTP, we are going to configure the notifications, the renewal notifications and all, right? Yeah, so save it here. Now here in the system again, click on the system again. When you click on the system again, right? So if you see in the left hand side bottom, there is a monitoring and notifications, right? Mhm. Click on the monitoring and notifications here. Mhm.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
here,
here
sir.
in this case, what we are trying to do, we are going to configure this one only. Okay, we are going to configure this one only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. Yes. So here, if you see, the first option is notification for the licensing events. Am I right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the notification for your licensing configuration. Okay. So this is what which is used for your click on that option server licensing events. Actually, this one is not required in the real time. Why? Because it is already there in the screen itself, right? Okay, in
Yeah, this
the
one, right, sir.
system.
Yeah.
So maximum we don't need to do that. But yeah, anyways, yeah, we can also use it. No problem. There is no wrong in that. So choose the SMTP there. Mhm. So every 30 days before, every day it will send a notification. So last 30 days,
Okay.
every day it will send a notification to your email address, which
Email.
email you are putting it. Okay. So here, if you want to put the email address, you can put it right there. Okay. Put your email address, maybe Gmail account or something. In your organization, you will have your team DL, right? All the
Yeah,
email
yeah, team
addresses
leader.
will
Yeah,
get
yeah.
DL. That DL also, which is you can able to put it here actually. Okay, that DL also you can able to put it here, or single email address if you want to keep it, just with the comma you can able to put all the email addresses. Okay,
Okay, okay. I got it, sir.
so that is the configuration, but actually that's not required. DL is the best one instead of putting it one by one, right?
Individual. Yeah,
DL is
yeah.
the best option actually here in this case. Okay, now again, the next line notification for the certificate events, right? That's the most important one in the PingFederate. Okay, so because that's certificate events and the initial warning date and final warning date, right? So maybe first warning date, maybe we can keep it as 60 days. Final warning date, we can keep it as 30 days actually. Okay, that would be better. Okay, yeah. So that is the option here. We can have it in our system. Okay, so choose the SMTP only and put the email address. That's all. That's correct. That's correct. Put your email, the Gmail. Maybe you can copy that and paste it.
For experiment.
Okay, so again from the last 14 days it will send every day actually. Okay, so first warning day 60, final warning day 30, and the last warning
Okay.
date it will from the last 14 days it will send every day. Okay, so this was the concept. Getting my point?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's go back to so save it. So this is how we can able to configure the server licensing and then the notification certificate events also. Okay, so this is first off only actually for the SMTP. The second of which will be available in the different way. Okay, second of which will be available in the this that is the different in the adapter in the login screen adapter. If you remember in the starting point we discussed in the login screen adapter, we will come back and we'll do that option later, right? So that is what we are going
Yeah,
to do
yes,
it
sir.
right now. So what we are going to do means we are going to configure it as a different use cases actually. We are going to configure it as a different use
Use
cases.
case.
Use cases in the sense is basically like change password, forgot password actually. Okay. So if you forgot your password, right? If you forgot your password, we can able to reset. What you can say? If you forgot your password, we can able to reset to the new password actually. Okay. So change password is different. Forgot password is different actually. So please be careful on that. Okay. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Change is
Change
like
password is
updating
different.
new one. Yeah. Yeah,
Updating
got
the
it, sir.
from the old password, you are updating to the
Mm.
new one. But forgot password, you are resetting the
Totally.
password, right? You
For,
don't know the
yeah,
password
yes, sir.
actually, right?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yeah.
was the use case. Okay. So click on go to the authentication and IDP adapter, HTML adapter there. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. So IDP adapter here. So in this adapter only, we said we'll come back and we'll do that change password option, right? So if you scroll down, there is a allow password changes option is there, right? Click
Yes,
on that
sir.
one.
Mm.
Allow password changes, right? Enable that. And then if you scroll down, you'll see if you scroll down, change password notification is there, right? If you want to change your password, we can also do that. And then if change password successful, no, means it will send a notification actually. So success message it will send. If your change password is failure, means it will send a failure message actually. Okay, getting my point? That is the
Yes,
option.
sir.
Next line, show password expiry warning, right? So if your password is going to expire, that is also will be sent in this case actually. Okay, so that is
Like
will be
any.
there in the
Okay.
yeah. If you are going to password is going to expire in the means the last 7 days, it will send every day mail. Your password is going to expire in 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, right? Like that, it will send every day, 24. One time in 24 hours, it will send actually. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is the option we can
Is
have it
this
on.
is mandatory, sir, to every seven
No, no, no.
days or
These are
like?
all. These are all. It's not mandatory. Whatever the option we are doing it, right? This is not that much
Okay.
mandatory, but we will have this option in our case. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now the next one is yeah. Okay, and also password reset is there, right? We'll choose the password reset from the email OTP. Okay, email one-time password, right? By using the email OTP, we can able to reset the
Yeah.
password. Because when you do forgot password, we need to send a OTP to your mailbox, right? So by using
Yes, sir.
that, then you can
Yeah.
able to receive it and then copy paste the OTP and reset a password, right? So that was the option. Okay, scroll down. That's all basically. And there is an enable username. We need a SMTP for this also, right? For this also you need a SMTP, right? So from the
Yes, sir.
notification permission in the bottom, so choose the SMTP there.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, SMTP is there because we need to send a notification OTP, right? For that purpose.
Sir, yeah, got it, sir.
Now here, next line, enable username recovery, right? Choose that one also. Enable username recovery there.
So we can send email one time
Yeah.
link to
One-time
reset.
link also you can use it. Any one only you
Mhm.
can able to use.
Okay, anyone
OTP or
only we can use. From Ping ID
yeah,
also
OTP or
we can use.
yeah, ping ID also you can use. SMS also is there, right? Yeah, but SMS or it's not that much useful. But email OTP is the widely used one.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
one, sir, authentication policy.
That also we can able to configure it as a different way. Okay. Like different MFA instead of ping ID, you want Cisco do MFA for the forgot password means that is also we can able to do. Okay, by configuring the policy directly. In the policy, you just configure one. What you can say one like only one adapter Cisco Duo, and then that Cisco Duo you can map it here. So whenever you do forgot password, it will redirect you to the MFA Cisco Duo MFA actually. What adapter we have configured there. Okay, yeah. So that also we'll see that after this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so click on next, and save it. That's all basically. Username recovery means if you forgot your username, you can able to recover it based upon your email address actually. Okay, that is also we can do. Okay, so click on next and save it. That's all. Okay, so now here click on next and save it. Yep.
This organ.
Okay, so now we have saved it, right? Now try to access the Salesforce. We'll see the login screen should be there. Yeah. Can you try to access the Salesforce? Okay, try to access Salesforce here. Okay, so now here in this case, yeah, no. I think can you try it in the incognito window?
Sir, yes.
Mhm. Yeah, paste it. No, we don't need the SAML because it's already there. No? That's fine. That's fine. Oh, it's triggering this one. Okay, can you try to access a different connection? Okay, we just need the yeah.
We.
Yeah, can you try any other application, maybe test-sp1 or sp2 like that, where we have configured HTML only for that? Because we don't need to log in. We just need that configuration. That's all. Yeah, like a mail. Okay, we just need that login screen to be displayed so that we can do the forgot password option.
Right?
No, try SP2 like that. No, can you go back and try any other connection? SP3. SP2 does not. Okay, go back. Everything is SP. So all the connection you configure multiple adapters.
No, sir. Lastly, me and Isaac, we did one changes that if any affected or less.
Go to SP3.
We tested that time.
Scroll down.
It
Yeah,
is
there is
only
no
HTML.
no adapter.
Yeah.
Hit it. Yeah, I think mail or it will send it to mail or only because sorry, it will send from the mail or because but you won't be received the email address in the Gmail, but we can see it here. Click on the inboxes there.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
it is there, sir.
it. No, I think that's a change notification, successful notification.
Your account has been changed successfully.
Can you go back? Oh, okay, okay. Sorry. We didn't do. We forgot one option for the username recovery. That's why you didn't receive the email. Can you go to the system in the console? Actually, we need to give the filter. We forgot to give the filter. So because it will search the email and send it to you, right? So that's reason.
Yes, sir.
Can you go to the PCV? In the PCV, you need to do the change. Yeah. So click on the PD PCV. Yep. So here, instance configuration and show advanced fields there. Yeah. If you scroll down, you'll see the show advanced fields, right? Click on that one. Yep. So here, if you scroll down, you'll see that username attribute and mail search filter, right? In the description, if you see in the right hand side for username recovery, you may use the mail filter is there, right? Just copy that mail
Yes, sir.
filter and paste it in the next line. Next line. The next line, the filter is there, right? The full filter. Copy that full filter in the next line. Next line. Next line.
Next line. This is the what, sir? Username
In the
attribute is there.
description, you see the second line, right? There is a description. There's a second line. That's a filter. Copy that filter and paste it. Mail is equal to dollar.
Okay,
Mail.
okay. This one.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you're typing the mail, it should have to search the email and get the
Email. Okay, okay,
attribute.
sir. Yeah,
Okay, what attribute it should have to get? Username in the next line. UID should have to get, right? Put UID
yeah.
and
Okay.
save it and do it again. Test it again. Save it and test it again. Yeah. So now if you go back to the mailbox and you'll see that mail also. See that? Okay. Oh, didn't get it. Oh yeah, it came. It came.
Mhm.
See that?
Yeah.
Your username is okay. Sunil is there,
Mm.
right? So this is all the difference. Getting my point? So we tested
Yeah, got
change
it, sir.
password is working. And then when you change the password, it sent the email also successful, right? That's also working. And username recovery is also working, right? So now what we are going to do, so we need to do the forgot password. Okay, forgot password we need to do. Can you go back to the page again, the incognito? Okay, do the double signing on. Now if you put the mail address, sorry, username, okay, you will get the code, OTP. Send request.
Okay, sir.
It will ask for a OTP, right? Here. That's all. So now can you go back and it will send a OTP to your mail. Can you check the OTP it came or not? The OTP is there, right? Yeah, copy that and paste it there. And do the reset password there. Okay.
Okay, okay. This is email we got.
Yeah, copy that and paste it. Okay, yeah. And in the bottom, the last line, you'll see the error. Scroll down to the bottom, last line. So the it's not having a privileges, that kind of error it will show, right?
The
The
request
request
operation
operation,
because the
it's a
yeah.
yeah. So for which account we need to give the privileges? So which account you are connecting to the data store actually? That's a CN is equal to directory space manager. Am I right? Super user admin
Yes, sir.
account. By using the super user admin account only, you are connecting to the data store, right? But
Yes, sir.
since even though that's a super user admin account, it's not working, right? Why? Because this is like a kind of a admin account actually. Okay. So this is like, even though if it's an admin account, this password reset you are doing it, right? It's not doing it. You are not doing it inside your LDAP. See, if you are doing it in the Apache Directory Studio, it will work actually. But you are not doing it in the inside Apache Directory Studio. Am I right? You are
Yes.
doing it from the PingFederate. So it's a third party product, right? Even though they are in the same family, but still it's a third party product you are connecting to it, right? So that's why it's not working. Okay. So
Okay.
you need extra privileges to be there. So that's the reason in a real time, a lot of people they won't give it actually. Okay. Why? Because this is like a kind of they're asking for extra privileges, right? So that is the reason actually. Okay.
Okay.
Getting my point? So why the reason they are not giving it? Because of this privileges, a lot of people they won't accept it, because this is not a normal privilege actually. Like I mean, like proxy hyphen auth, this is a huge privilege. Okay,
Okay.
this is like a kind of a huge privilege where you are allowing the PingFederate to do everything inside the PD. Okay, so that's not a good option. Okay, see, this is PD we are giving it. Suppose AD means how AD team will give it, right? They won't give it actually, right?
Do yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the reason this is like an extra option. Okay, yeah, so how to give it? So what is our can you go back to your browser? What is the host name of our ping federate? Copy the host name. We need to log in into the ping directory and then enable the permission. Okay, it's ping sso, right? Okay, can you go back to the normal browser,
Listen,
pingsso.com,
listen.
right? That's our,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
copy that pingsso.com without port number, open another tab and then paste it. Don't put enter, just paste. Yeah. At the end, remove the slash colon. I think 443 we put it, right? I think 443 only, but not sure. We put it as 443 colon 443 the port number. Okay. Now here slash console slash login. That's all. It will log into your slash console slash login. Slash console slash login.
Oh, slash login.
Enter.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if you scroll down, there is a root DNS should be there. Scroll down, root DNS should be there. Oh no, I think if you scroll to the top, you need to enable that extra options. Yeah.
Console
Show
is not
advanced.
configured with that trust.
Show advanced configuration in the top right hand side. Check that box. Mhm. Yeah, and then click on that. Click on the root DN there in the middle. Root DN should be there.
Yeah, here it is there, sir.
Click on that, and if you scroll down, you'll see that the CHL Active Space Manager account should be there. Can you scroll down? Scroll down, scroll down. Not that one. Scroll down.
Okay.
Scroll down. See, edit that account, the Active Manager. See, right hand side, that's it.
Sorry.
Yeah. So here, if you scroll down, you will see the privileges. Okay.
There it is there, sir. Privileges.
Okay. Yeah. And then search for privilege proxy hyphen auth. Just search it proxy hyphen auth.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. First one, click on that first one and give it. Okay. Yes. Now here, yeah. Next, one more privileges also we need to give. Put one more privileges also we need to give. Yeah. So password hyphen reset. Password hyphen reset. Okay.
Reset.
Password. Yeah. Okay. Check it and then save it. That's all. Okay. Save it in the top right. You don't need to, because all the other privileges and all it's there, so you don't need to give other privileges. Not
It will be
required.
confusing. Yeah.
Okay, now can you go back and then test it? Okay, try to access the application, HTML form again.